Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a little bit of a different haul, but these are things that I've picked up from Dollarama for Christmas, and I'd like to show you guys because they're great deals. Okay, let's get into it. So, if you're Canadian or you know about a Dollarama, you know that their prices can go up to $5. So it's anywhere between, I think it's 50 cents is their lowest, and then up to $5. And people got mad about it a couple years ago when they raised the price from $4 to $4.50 to $5 because it's not a dollar store anymore. But honestly, since they've done that, I like it better because I've found so many cool things, and I keep them for Christmas or I keep them for a birthday gift. I love the dollar store. So let's get into the first ones. And these are all gifts for my boys for Christmas that I have found over the last, I'd say, 3 weeks. So not that long of time, but every time you go to the dollar store, you have to check every time for different things because they update their stock all the time. And I'm also in a group on Facebook for the Dollarama site. And you get like sneak peeks of what's going to be there, and I end up screenshotting all my things and going to the dollar store. But this is the first item, and of course I got two. But it literally is a remote control puppy. He does take batteries, so I have to go and get some more batteries. I believe they're AA's. Yep, AA's. But I think that's really cute. It's just like a little robotic puppy. And this one was only like $3, so that's not bad. And that'll be a cute little toy for them. Okay, and next ones, I was actually shocked to see these in the dollar store. Where's the next one? Okay, I was shocked to see these in the dollar store because at Walmart, these are like $20 or $15. No cheaper though. And my boys do collect them. So we have Red Skull. It's one of the ones that they don't have. These are the Bend and Flex toys. So like they can flex around. You can interchange the parts to all the characters and stuff. And then we also have Venom. And that's one of their favorite characters is Venom. And then we also have Wolverine, which is one of my favorite characters. And these were $5 each, which is not bad at all. But this is going to grow my son's collection, and I think they're going to really like it. So those are going to be for Christmas. And then next we have here, I've seen 4 different ones. I did buy 4 different ones, but 2 of them I already gave them. It was a treat after that school day or whatever because they did good. But I saved 2 of them for Christmas. And they're wrestling figures. This is Goldberg. And then you can see on the back here that it also comes with Kane and I'm blanking on this guy's name, but this one as well. They already have these 2 in their collection. But these ones, and then you got Stephanie McMahon. And both my kids are really big wrestling fans, so they watch wrestling all the time, and they go back and they watch the classic wrestling and stuff too. I don't know how they do it. I didn't really watch wrestling as a kid, only a little bit. But those were also $5 each, and it's the whole set. They haven't made any more of these, not this like set series. So they will have the whole set, but I was shocked to see those in the dollar store because usually wrestling figures, I've seen those ones, the exact same ones at Walmart. I have seen them for up to $22. And that's like on a sale or on a good day. So getting those into the dollar store is a major bonus to me. Okay, and next 2 are gifts for my youngest son. I seen this the other day. And it's a rattlesnake, but he comes out. But he's actually rubber and he's like pliable. Like you can't move the face or anything, but his whole body moves. My son's gonna love this. He's very into the creatures and the big things moving around and using the little figures on it. So this is going to be great for him. And it also comes with, I think that's like a little comic book. It doesn't say, but that's what it looks like, or like an information packet. But there's also these ones in the set. Now, I've never seen these in the dollar store, but you never know. Check around, because sometimes one box will go to one dollar store and sometimes one will go to the other. So check around, but I've never seen those ones. I will be on the hunt for them because I want the shark for my older son. And last we have here, this was also $5. And then last we have here, I picked this up yesterday at the dollar store because when I seen it, I couldn't believe it. It's a 2-pack of figures for Shang-Chi. Now, my son already has the dragon for Shang-Chi that goes with it from the dollar store as well. But he really wanted the guy to go on top. He wanted the one that was specific for that movie. So, and the dollar store had it. But it looks like this one, like if you push down his leg, it'll spring back up to kick. And then he also comes with the Death Dealer as well. See, and there's some of the action movements. And this again was only $5, but $5 for 2 different figures is an amazing deal to me. And there you have all. Leave a comment below. What did you think? Did you ever go to Dollarama? Do you like shopping at your dollar stores for Christmas presents? Because I know it saves me a ton of money, and my kids are happy either way. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers before my birthday. So in February, we gotta get to 100 subscribers. We can do this. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.